In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Intercom Help Center. We'll walk through setting up the essentials, applying your brand, and polishing the design so your help center looks professional and easy to navigate. Start inside your Intercom workspace. Open the settings menu, choose Help Center, select the help center you want to work on, and then go to Configure and Style. This is your home base for everything we'll change today. Begin with the General tab. Set the language your audience expects. Pick the domain or URL you'll use, connect Google Analytics so you can track traffic and behavior, and review your privacy settings. Getting these foundations right ensures visitors land in the right place, see the right content, and that your data is captured responsibly. Next, let's handle branding quickly. In the Styling tab, use Import Your Brand. Enter your website URL and let Intercom pull in your logo and colors automatically. This is the fastest way to achieve a consistent look without manually hunting down hex codes. You can always fine-tune later. Now dial in the design within the Styling tab. Under Shared Elements, set your background color, pick an action color for buttons and links, and choose a readable font that fits your brand voice. Keep accessibility in mind. Aim for strong contrast and legible sizes. Open the header section to upload your logo and add navigation links that guide visitors to key areas. Then edit the hero block at the top of your help center. Write a clear welcome message, choose a background image or color, and style the search bar so it stands out. Most people will use search first. Move to layout and sections to shape how content appears. Choose a collections layout with 1 to 3 columns. Add sections like articles, content, or tickets, and reorder them so the most important items come first. In Collections Design, decide whether to use icons or images and select a card style, classic, visual, or compact, based on how much detail you want to show at a glance. Open the article page settings and enable the table of contents and related articles. These features help readers scan quickly and discover more helpful content without getting lost. Finish by customizing the footer. Pick a simple, classic, or multi-level layout, add useful links and social profiles, and upload a footer logo. Remember, the footer appears on every page, so keep it clean and consistent. Use the preview to check everything on desktop and mobile. When you're happy, click Save and Set Live. Your changes won't apply until you publish.